In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book an Uber for two people. This easy guide will walk you through each step so you can get on your way without any hassle. So, grab your phone and let's get started. First things first, start by opening the Uber app on your mobile device. Uber is an extremely user-friendly service that lets you quickly book rides no matter where you're headed. Once you have the app open, you need to enter your pickup location. This is the spot where you'd like the driver to meet you. You can type in an address manually or use the GPS function by tapping the location icon to let the app pinpoint your current location. This step is crucial, especially if you're at a crowded location or one with multiple entrances. Make sure your pickup spot is easy for the driver to access. After setting your pickup location, it's time to add your destination. Enter the address or name of the place where you and your companion are headed. Remember, when booking for two people, there's no need to adjust passenger settings, as the app automatically assumes one car can accommodate two passengers. Now, if you need to make a stop along the way, Uber allows you to add up to 2 stops before reaching your final destination. To do this, tap on the plus sign next to the destination field. Adding a stop can be particularly useful if you need to pick something up or drop someone off during your ride. With your pickup location, destination, and any additional stops set, tap Book Now or Confirm to proceed. Depending on your current location and destination, you might see several vehicle options ranging from economy to luxury. Select the one that suits your needs. Keep in mind that some vehicles may have different seating capacities, so ensure your selected option can comfortably accommodate both passengers. Before you finish, verify all the entered details. Double check your pickup spot and destination to avoid any mix-ups. Once you have confirmed everything, proceed by clicking the Next button. At this point, the app might prompt you to complete a quick security check by verifying that you're not a robot. This step usually involves simple tasks like identifying objects in pictures or ticking a box. The last thing to do is ensure your payment method is up to date. Open your payment settings and add or update your card, or choose another preferred payment method. This way you won't run into any issues when it's time to pay for your ride. And there you have it, a comprehensive way to book an Uber for two people. I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Thanks for tuning in and happy travels.